Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Friday Inspirations. There is a famous saying, you only live once. But if you do it right, once is enough. Because if you live it rightfully, it takes you to eternal success. This is what Quran says. Khalidina fiha abada. Some people will live in paradise forever. So my question is, what is the criteria of success that you want to achieve in your life? The answer is, your criteria will change as you grow. So, at the age of 4, success might be not to wet your pants. At the age of 8, it isn't the same. It might be knowing the way back to your house. At 12, success is to have a circle of good friends. But when you reach 18, your joy is to have a full driving license. At the age of 22, people consider you as successful if you have a degree from a reputable university. At 25, your triumph is to have a good job in a multi-million-dollar company. But when you become 30, having a family with a close bonding is what you cherish the most. Around 35, the most fabulous thing can be to possess your own house. But at 45, the circle starts turning again. Because the most satisfactory thing at that age can be someone praising you that you still look young. At the age of 50, you love to reap the rewards of the good upbringing of your children. At 55, you are happy if you still have good bonding with your family. At 60, your major concern is your good health. Then at 65, you are happy if you can still drive. At 70, the most important thing for you is not to be dependent on anyone. And at 75, you are happy if you still have some old good friends. At the age of 80, you come full circle to where you began, aged 8, and can find your way home by yourself. And if we live long enough to reach 85, we thank God for being spared of incontinence. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Yasin verse 68, وَمَنْ نُعَمِّرْهُ نُنَكِّسْهُ فِي الْخَلْقَ فَلَا يَعْقِلُونَ. Whomever we grant old age, we reverse his development. Still, they don't understand? In Surah Hajj verse number 5, this is explained further, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us from dust, then from a small drop, then from a clinging clot, then from a lump of flesh, partly developed and partly undeveloped. Then He settles us in the wombs for our designated term, and then He brings us out as infants until we reach our prime at midlife. Some of us pass away young, in our 50s or 60s, but many will live till our 70s and 80s. And that can be an unpleasant age. Why? Because the Quran says we forget many things in this age after having known them earlier in life. What then is the point of having greed, lust, jealousy and animosity towards others when we will return to the same point from where we started? Imam Ali alayhi salam said that when a person dies, people usually ask what he has left behind, but angels ask what he has sent for the hereafter. Living a long life is a blessing, but how well you live is crucial. Shaitan also has the longest of lives, but he is cursed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Quran. On the other hand, Bibi Fatma salamullah alayha lived only for 18 years, but she is the leader of the women of paradise. So remember, you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough to get you eternal happiness, which is to live alongside the Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam in paradise. That's it for this week's Friday Inspirations. Till next week, take care.